Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to video 3 of this DIY king-size bed frame platform build. Next up, we're going to be sanding and staining the frame and the platform. I want to do this ahead of time so that way I can assemble this part before I start building the drawers, just so I can double check all of my measurements. So I went through and I sanded all of the boards back here, and then I still have to do the platform. While I'm working on the platform, Kate's going to be going through and staining all of the frame boards. So we got this and we tested it out. It looks really good. So we're just going to get to work and get cracking. Coming along nicely. I have all of the platform pieces sanded now, and Kate's making good progress on staining. It looks really good. I really like that color. So I'm gonna set up another station so I can stain at the same time, and we're just gonna keep rocking and rolling here. Alright, so we just finished staining everything. As you can see, those are the frame boards, and then there's the platform. Yeah, everything, it looks really good. We're really happy with the way it turned out. So we're gonna let it dry overnight, and then we'll be back tomorrow to assemble this. So to install the drawer sliders, what I've done is I've measured out, this is how far the plywood face of a drawer will go, so that way it's flush on this side when the drawer is closed. And then I measured up 5.5 inches from the bottom all the way along here, and it slides out, and you just install the screws. Easy as that. Now this is one of the frame boards that goes side to side. I measured up 5.5 inches on either side. So this is going to set down into the frame boards that go from the head to the foot. And on both of these, I'm going to do sliders on both sides. So I'm going to flip it over and do them on this side as well. So now I'm going to use a Craig jig to cut pocket holes in the frame boards that go from top to bottom. So this is how these two boards that go from the head to the foot will attach to those frame boards that are at the head and the foot. So I just, you follow the instructions. I'm using a 1.5 inch material, and you measure 1.25 from the end. And then the screw goes into here and attaches to the boards that are going to go like this. Alright, so here is the frame board that goes along the head. It's really important to make sure that you have it the right way. Sliders are 5.5 inches up from the bottom. And what I've done is I've gone through and measured out 24.5 inches, and that'll be the edge of this board that goes from the top to the bottom. We'll line up with that, and then again we'll be using pocket hole screws to attach it. Alright, now I have that all attached with pocket holes, and it should be as easy as setting in these other boards. There you have it, they just set right down into the frame. Alright, thanks for joining me on this video. Go ahead and hit the like button, let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. On the next video, I'm going to be cutting out the drawer sides and bottoms and assembling those and installing them into the frame. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time.